Have you ever wondered why haul videos are so popular? I mean, the internet is full of them, and I always find myself watching them even when I don't have anything to do with the brand or the website that the person is reviewing. I mean, clearly they are entertaining. So I thought I'd give it a shot. I wanted to see if reviewing products is as entertaining as watching somebody else do it. Hello people, I am Kirti Malik and this is me trying to shoot a haul video. So I went on Ajio a couple of weeks ago. There was a sale going on. There were already some things in my wish list. I wanted to buy some formals and some workout gear, even though we are amidst a pandemic and I'm not really going to my workplace, but I really needed to upgrade my wardrobe. And the things that I wanted to buy were on a really good price right now, so I thought why not buy whatever I need. Hi, new बोल सरकारी नौकरी ना लाग रही पीछे कोनी तेरे धो रहा है. No. Please don't mind her. She is my stuffed animal. Her name's Gulabo and she is really mean. She's a savage. Anywho, after ordering everything, I checked just for fun's sake what I got, and I had gotten 17 things. So I thought, why not make a haul video out of it? I always wanted to try. So here we go. I'll be honest, I've already tried a few things on. They arrived early and Ajio has a 7-day return policy. If there was some sizing issue, I wouldn't be able to return it after that. And I've opened everything just to see what's what. Alright, so the first thing is this pair of formal pants called Printed Slim Fit Pants from this brand called Fig. It was originally $9.99 and I got it for $356.64 including GST. I noticed that I liked the aesthetics of a few brands more than others, so what I did was I wishlisted everything that I wanted. Then I paired these things up according to brands. What that did was there were some coupon codes available which had a minimum purchase restriction or compulsion, you can say. So I got more discount from those codes. Instead of buying everything in one order, I placed 4 different orders where I had paired things up according to the codes, obviously. So let's check out these pants. Okay, so these are the pants. They look pretty good quality. I mean, okay, the back pockets on the pants are not actually pockets, they are fake pockets. But the front ones, they look pretty good. So let's try it on. Here it is. I like the quality of it. The fabric feels nice and looks structured, which is essential for formals. The length could have been a little shorter. I'm 5'6", so not exactly a short person, but the length doesn't bother me that much. I'm, by the way, going to pair it with my pumps, so it would look good. You can get the length altered anytime anyways. The fitting isn't the best. It's loose on the waist, but fine on thighs and calves, so sizing down wouldn't help. I'll have to get that altered, but I usually have to do so. It's not something new. I'll give these pants an 8 out of 10 because of fake back pockets and the waist fitting. Everything else is perfect. By the way, I'm gonna mention everything in the same sequence as I ordered these things. This particular order had 4 things. One I've already told you about. There were 2 more pants from Fig. One was called Mid-Rise Slim Fit Pants. It was in the color maroon. Here it is. Okay, they definitely look a little different from the picture. The color's a little darker, but it said maroon on the side. So let's see what we do. And again, same brand, same thing. Back pockets just for the show. Okay, so I love these pants. The fitting's perfect. Even though the color is different from what I expected, I think I like it better this way. The difference in color could have been a lighting issue. The silhouette on me is a lot different than the model shown in the picture. What I don't understand is, do models not have thighs or calves? It says in the description that the model is wearing a size 28 and I am a size 28 as well. It fits perfectly on my waist, so sizing is definitely not an issue. It's just a different body type, but the title does call it slim fit pants, so I guess that is what you should expect. Now, enough rambling. From expectations versus reality point of view, I would give these a 7 on 10, but personally, I love them and I give them a 9 on 10. The next pair of pants in this is again from Fig. It's called High Rise Straight Fit Trousers. It's in beige color and it's the same price as the other two. It was originally $9.99 and I got it for 356.64 including GST. I haven't opened this yet, it arrived today. So let's go. Alright, getting them out of the bag. So these are definitely a little different fabric from the previous two. They were more synthetic. This looks a little more cottony, if that makes sense. Definitely a blend of cotton, but okay, so these are in the color beige. Let's see how it looks on. They do look good. The fabric's really soft, feels very comfortable. The waist is again bigger than expected, so I'll have to get it altered. Other than that, there are no back pockets. I think that's better than the fake ones, so no complaints there. I'll give them a 9 out of 10 because of the fit. The last thing in this order is a shirt. It's called polka dot print shirt with patch pocket. It's from this brand called DNMX, which I think again is a sub brand of Reliance, just as Fig is. It was originally $6.99 and I got it for $249.54. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so this is the shirt. It looked a little more white in the picture, but maybe this is the color. It feels soft. I thought it would be more synthetic, but it's more cottony. It's definitely a blend of cotton and softer than cotton. Looks a little bigger, so let's see how it looks on. Okay, it's way bigger than I expected. The sleeves do have buttons on them to fold the cuffs, which is good because they are too long and loose. The fabric is a little see-through, but that was visible in the picture. But it's so big that you'll have to wear it tucked in always, otherwise it would look like this. There is no structure to the fabric, even ironing it won't help. It can't be worn with formals for sure, but I'm not returning it because I don't mind the informal look of it. It can even be worn as a shrug over a bandeau top or a bralette. I'll give it a 6 on 10. So the next order contains of 3 things. 2 are bottoms from Ajio. One is this floral print skinny jeans. It was originally $19.99, which I got for $524.74 including GST. So here it is. I haven't tried it on, haven't seen it. Let's get it out of the bag. Well, it definitely looks like the picture. I really like the fabric as well. It looks pretty skinny. Let's see if it's gonna fit. So my anticipation was right. It didn't fit at all. I couldn't even tuck in the top to show you because the zipper wasn't closing properly. So I exchanged it for a bigger size, but my hopes were shattered because this size was way too big on the waist and still wouldn't fit on the calves. Honestly, it just reminded me why I stopped wearing skinny jeans years ago. To me, it's definitely a design fail. If you have thick thighs and calves, I do not recommend buying it. I liked the fabric and the overall quality, so I'm giving it a 5 on 10, but it's definitely not for my body type, so I returned it. Next pair of trousers is from Ajio. It's called printed pleat front trousers. It was originally $14.99 and I got it for $393.48. Let's get it out of the bag. What I originally liked about these trousers was the whole androgynous look of it. It looked a lot like male pants. Still does, but it's very thin fabric. I really didn't expect it to be this thin. Well, maybe it'll be good for summer. Let's see. Let's try it on how it looks. They again have disappointing fake pockets in the back and no side pockets as well, which is sad. So from the first glance, I didn't expect to like these as much as I do. The fabric is thin but very comfortable. It's not see-through or anything like that. I really like the way the silhouette falls. Even the fit is perfect on the waist. I love how these are loose and comfy, yet the look is still formal. I can see myself wearing these all the time. I am obsessed. I'm giving it a 9.5 on 10. If these had pockets, they would be a 10 on 10 for sure. Okay, so the last item in this order is a top. It's from Fig again. It was called floral printed top with extended sleeves and it was originally $3.99. I got it for $13.95. Okay, so here it is. No extra plastic bag. Essentially not a bad thing. This is the top. I knew it wouldn't be cotton because I obviously checked the description, but still looks pretty good quality. Let's see how it looks on. It looks good. It can be worn casually, or if you're going for a semi-formal look, it's fine. I'd like to pair it with high-waisted fitted jeggings. That'd be a nice look. It's big in size, but the silhouette falls nicely, so you can also wear it without tucking it in. The fabric is thick and synthetic, so it won't be apt for summers. I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. Okay, so the next order consists of 6 things. 4 of them were yoga pants, you can call them. One of them I have returned already. I didn't like them at all. They were called panelled leggings with elasticated waistband. It was from this brand called Team Spirit. All the other 3 leggings are from that same brand as well. They were $5.99 and I got them for $314.48, but I have returned them. I'll show you a video of them right now. What happened was that they were very thin and a cotton-like material, which was mentioned in the description, but they had these mesh panels on the sides which indicated that they're supposed to be for working out, but the material felt like it wouldn't even last a single workout. Moreover, threads were coming out of seams and I stretched it a little to see the quality of stitching and it wasn't good at all. I could see tiny holes in the fabric near the seams. I ordered them because I liked the color and everything, but it turned out to be a disappointment. I'm not gonna give them any rating, they are a no from me. This is the order that arrived early and I have tried these on already. I'll just show you the 3 leggings quickly. The first one is called ankle length leggings with contrast stripes. It was originally $7.99. I got it for $419.98. So these are the leggings. They are blue and have neon and white contrast stripes. I'll show you how they look on. From first glance, I really like the way they look. They are comfortable, the fabric is thick and stretchable enough. Workout gear cannot be judged by just trying it on, so I'll try to add a post-workout video for a proper review. Alright, so I have just gotten done with an intense 40-minute workout wearing these leggings. Okay, so this part of the legging, the white one, is a little see-through, but it's not that big of a deal. I really like the stripes on the side of it. Okay, apart from the looks, it shimmers down you a bit from the band position, a little bit, not too much, so it's fine. So I'm going to give these leggings an 8 on 10 because I like the way they fit. You can wear them outside, it won't be an issue, and I really like wearing them. They're comfortable. The next one is called Heathered Sports Leggings with Ombre Effect. It was originally $8.99. I got it for $471.98. These are the leggings. They were in pink color. Sorry. They look like that. They have an ombre effect as the name suggests. These are in a thinner fabric than the other ones. They cling a lot to the body. I do like the color and everything, but everyone might not be comfortable wearing them at the gym if we ever go to one again. Let's see if they work well for a workout. Alright, so I've just done an intense 40-minute workout wearing these leggings. What I do want to say about them is that they hug you way too much. The band here is not thick enough. It digs into your stomach after some time, so 7 on 10. The next one is called ankle length leggings with elasticated waistband. It was originally $7.99 and I got it for $419.48 again. And this is black. What I really liked about this, and I didn't notice it before ordering it, it has this side stretchy panel to it. I'll show you when I wear it. It goes all the way to the bottom and below knee it's transparent, so that's pretty good. And the print says me versus me, so I like that. They look really good, feel very comfortable. I think these might be my favorite out of all 3 if they are as promising as they look at the first glance. Alright, so I have just gotten done with a workout. I was wearing these leggings. The workout wasn't that intense, but there was a lot of body movement involved and the leggings were perfect. The material was comfortable. It's a really thick material. The band was keeping everything tucked in where it should. I love these leggings. I give them a 10 on 10. I've gotten all these workout essentials and some more, so take that as a hint as to what the next week's video is going to be about. Okay, done with the leggings. Now the next thing in this order is a t-shirt. It's a 100% cotton t-shirt. It was from this brand Rio. It is called typographic print round neck top. It was originally $3.99 and I got it for $209.48. So $200 a cotton t-shirt, not bad. It is this t-shirt. It says a latte with extra followers. It's just a regular t-shirt. I liked it a lot. It does look good. It fits true to size. The fabric is very comfortable. It is stretchable enough to be tied into a knot, so it can give you the cropped look, or you can simply tuck it in if you want. I have no complaints with it. I'm giving it a 10 on 10. The sixth and last thing in this particular order is a piece of jewelry. There was no such association of this item with all the other ones. I could have placed it in any order, but I did it in this one. So it's a ring. It came into a box. It's from Zaveri Pearls. It was called Embossed Adjustable Ring. It was 269.86. Okay, so here's the ring. I'll show you when I put it on. So this is what it looks like. I just needed an ethnic statement ring and I bought the one that I liked the most. I'm not gonna rate it as it cannot be compared with anything else from this video. It's nothing special, but it does the job. So the next order, the first thing was from Trends. It was a pair of informal trousers. It was called printed pants with insert pockets. It was originally $11.99. I got it for $440.63. These are very casual pants. These are the pants. I mean, I really like them. I don't know how they're going to look on, but I just like the whole look of it. This is this constant print on it from top to bottom. It has pockets on sides, and okay, the back ones are again fake, but the front ones are real. Honestly, I love these trousers. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but I love wearing multicolored prints, and I can already envision myself wearing them with strappy white heels and a white crop top or even a bandeau top. It would be a perfect outfit for brunch if we ever have brunches again. You know what I mean. They fit perfectly. The fabric is comfortable. There are enough pockets. I am giving them a 9.5 out of 10. So the next thing in this order is a pair of jeggings, leggings, whatever you call it, treggings they call it. It is from this brand Rio again, and it is called high rise treggings with zip closer. It was originally $9.99 and I got it for $367.13. So here it is. There was no extra packaging, that's how it came, and these are the treggings. They look pretty sturdy, I'll be honest. They have these rubber elastic bands at the sides that I really liked. That's why I ordered them. I had a pair of such leggings a few years prior to this time. Let's see how it looks on. Okay, I love these. The fabric's really comfortable. The fit is amazing. They can be worn as part of formals or casuals. I paired them with the polka dot shirt from this video and I think it's a look. The bagginess of the shirt is toned down by the fitted treggings. Overall, the leggings are really good. They are a 10 on 10. So the next thing is a top from Fig. It's called Textured Round Neck Top with Eyelets. It was originally $6.99 and I got it for $256.88. So here it is. Okay, so this came with some extra packaging for sure. I'm sure you can hear the voice. There was this lining. So this is what the top looks like. Let's see how it looks on. So I'm not a big fan of it. It might be because I'm a t-shirt person. I'm not used to wearing dressier tops like these. Plus the metal design on the sleeves feels heavy. I think I would only prefer to wear it with super high-waisted bottoms, otherwise I won't like the look. And they would be more comfortable in the autumn instead of summers. All in all, I'm giving these a 7 on 10. They aren't really my style. There was one more thing in this order. It was called High Rise Ankle Length Chinos from Fig. It was originally $9.99. I got it for $367.13. It hasn't arrived yet. It is the only thing that hasn't arrived in the order and I've waited long enough. I understand why not, but I'm gonna include an image of it if it arrives. Okay, so these arrived the next day. I do like the way these pants or chinos look. The color is pretty and different from usual formals. The fabric quality is amazing. I'll have to alter the waist a little bit, and because the fabric doesn't have much stretch to it, it is a little uncomfortable on the calves, but nothing concerning. So I'm giving them an 8.5 on 10. That's all for this video. Comment down below which item was your favorite and which one you think was the best deal. The links to all of these items are in the description below if you're interested in getting any of them. If you find something to be out of stock at the moment, don't worry about it. Just put it in your wish list. They keep restocking them, so you will be able to get them later if they're not available right now. Subscribe to the channel for the upcoming videos. Click on the bell icon to receive post notifications. I will be uploading a video every single Saturday. If you have made it this far, here are some bloopers for you. See you next time. I mean, the internet is आंखें जब काले इतना क्या बोल रही है? I need scissors. Where's my phone?